In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more RAM to Steam games. By the end, you'll know how to free up memory, set sensible launch options, and prioritize your game's process so it gets more of your system's attention. First, let's clear some headroom. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together, or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. On the Processes tab, look for apps you don't need while gaming. Web browsers with many tabs, chat apps, updaters, or anything sitting in the background chewing memory. Right-click and end task on what's safe to close. This frees RAM for your game and is often the quickest win. As a reminder, don't end tasks you don't recognize. If you're unsure, leave it running. Next, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to optimize. Right-click it, select Properties, and look for the section where you can set launch options. In the Launch Options box, you can enter a command like High Refresh 90 Maximum 8000. Here's what that does. The high flag asks Windows to run the game at a higher priority from the start. The Refresh 90 option targets a 90 Hz refresh rate. If your display supports it, you can omit or change this to suit your monitor. The maximum value is the key piece. It's the maximum memory in megabytes the game is allowed to use. For example, 8000 means about 8 gigabytes. Adjust this based on your system, and never exceed what you actually have available. It's smart to leave headroom for Windows and other essentials. If you have 16 gigabytes total, allocating something like 8000 to 12,000 megabytes is typically safer than maxing it out. Not every game engine honors maximum, but setting it won't harm anything and can help in some titles. Now launch the game. Once it's running, open Task Manager again and go to the Details tab. Find the game's executable, the file with the .exe extension. Right-click it, choose Set Priority, and select High. This tells Windows to give your game more CPU scheduling priority and can indirectly help with memory responsiveness. Avoid real-time, as it can cause system instability. Note that this priority change usually resets when you close the game, so you may need to redo it each session. That's it. Thanks for watching.